Finally fixed the exhaust, 100%. I don't know if you know, but that's legitimately a straight pipe. I custom made that pipe myself. I used some proper metal bending techniques of heating up and explosion, and as you can see, I did put a little, well, it's not entirely a straight pipe, but it is partially a straight pipe, but yeah, it's the most silent Volvo exhaust I bet any of you have ever heard. There is no Volvo 240 that sounds that quiet, and I did good. I mean, I still have to patch up a small leak in the manifold, but besides that, it does run, and it runs very happy too.